Vivek Srivastava, opposition has the right to ask questions, but the opposition cannot stoop to a low where it starts abusing our jawans, our soldiers, those soldiers who are standing at the border to protect you and me.
Exactly.
Those soldiers who are standing there prepared to take a bullet on their chest so that you and I can live in peace. And when the leader of the largest political party in the opposition begins to use words like "Arey wo to pite hain," what does it show? Does it show seriousness of asking questions, or does it show just a peeved political leader who just cannot digest the fact that there is somebody else in the seat of power? That's question number one. And question number two, the question is very simple. There are facts of history, there are incursions, and there is an LAC where Indian soldiers have pushed the Chinese back. Exactly how it happened in Galwan as well. Why are we questioning the valor of our soldiers? I mean, you can question the valor or the efficacy of the government, but why target the soldiers?
Navika, 5 seconds. Question number 3. Add kar दूं मैं एक. Vivek ji, please, with your permission.
See,
only with your permission.
Firstly, in this country, नहीं सर,
दो क्वेश्चन से ज्यादा नहीं. तीसरा क्वेश्चन आप जिंदल साहब से पूछिएगा.
I mean, you're Nehru bashing.
नहीं, मुझे अपने कांग्रेस से पूछना है.
नहीं, आप नहीं पूछ सकते हैं मुझसे, लेकिन I mean, apart from Nehru bashing, नहीं सर सुनिए.
Okay, 5 seconds. Question तो सुन लीजिए on popular demand. Yes, question Anand Ranganathan.
Yes, विवेक जी, thank you very much. मैं आपकी बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ और कम्युनिस्ट की भी बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ. सवाल एकदम सिंपल है. Is it not a fact that your own comrade and ex-chief minister of Kerala, Mr. Achyutanandan, said on record that when he defied the communists who had declared that we will not set up blood donation camps in the wake of 1962 war, Achyutanandan was demoted.
नहीं कुछ नहीं, बड़ा पुराना है आपका
during the 1962 war with China.
Now let me answer.
Okay, all right.
Now see, Dr. Anand Ranganathan.
Answer the question.
With due respect, now let me speak. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, आप जैसे इंटेलेक्चुअल आदमी से, अरे सर सुनिए तो पहले. I am answering it, sir. I am answering all your questions. First of all, even a common man like me has more expectations in IQ and questions from you. Debate after debate, you do not grow over Aksai Chin and over 1962 blood donation camp.
Navika.
Today the topic of debate was something very different. Okay, but you started with Nehru bashing. You were accusing the founding father of this nation, Jawaharlal Nehru, who was in jail for
I'm sorry, Vivek Srivastava ji, allow me to come in. Today's topic of debate started with the statement of Mallikarjun Kharge ji, and he said, आप कांग्रेस से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. कांग्रेस ने तो फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल तो 1947 है, तो it predates 1962 question that Anand Ranganathan raised, number 1, and he says आपके यहाँ तो कुत्ता भी नहीं बना. मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ भगत सिंह के लिए आप ये भाषा इस्तेमाल करेंगे?
नहीं, आप सुनिए, अब आप सुनिए जी नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे. तो भगत सिंह was a comrade. Bhagat Singh was a socialist. HSRA's association was a communist organization. The last book he was reading before he was hanged was Lenin. So I mean, I don't want to go into that debate. Let us talk of Kharge today. Kharge Sahab, what he has said is that in the freedom struggle of this nation, the Congress contributed. He talked of Congress. I will talk of the comrades also. I'll talk of the Krantikari also. But the RSS and Govalkar ji and the entire Hinduvadi brigade said that the real enemy of the nation is not the British, but the Muslims. That is the traitors. This is the gang of traitors. Today they may be in power. Today maybe the Prime Minister belongs to the same organization, the RSS, but there was not a blood, a drop of blood was not shed by these people. And if Kharge ji is trying to point it out, your statement
is being contested. Your statement is being contested by Anand Ranganathan responding to you. Anand.
Yes, Navika, I cannot allow him to speak lies on television. I will disclose about how communists collaborated with the British to leak information about INN Subhash Bose, but that is for later. Let me first demolish his propaganda that RSS.
Give me the name of one freedom fighter from RSS.
Vivek
Yes.
Srivastava,
Now, will you be
allow
quiet?
him to complete his point.
One
You can
freedom
rebut
fighter,
him
sir. One
after
freedom
that.
fighter.
You can rebut him after that. Anand, complete your point.
Okay.
यस दूध मांगोगे खीर देंगे कश्मीर मांगोगे चीर देंगे मैं एक नहीं 4 नाम देता हूं दादा नायक चिमुर रामदास रामपुरे संत तुकोजी महाराज हेमू कलानी नाउ अपोलोजाइज
Please.
अपोलोजाइज नाउ
ये ऐसे नहीं है ये कोई नाम ये दो stop your फर्जीवाड़ा here. Okay, as a policy, the RSS said we need a cultural revolution, and the British are not a challenge to the country's cultural revolution. It is the Muslims who are the challenge, and the real enemy of the nation is the Muslims. These are the sort of
1 minute, Mr. Vivek Srivastava. 1 minute, Mr. Vivek Srivastava. Let's not create another partition in this country. We've had one too many. We've had one too many, and at that time passions were running high. After all, it was on religious identity that the country was divided. What was said then cannot be repeated today. So let's just leave that conversation out of the debate tonight.
He should apologize first.
Agreed.
He asked for one name, I gave him 4.
Well,
Apologize.
Vivek Srivastava is not going to apologize.
Navika, let's see.
They've not apologized for 1962 and their role in that. They've not apologized for anything. So let's forget.